Hey, you guys, it's Double Moms, and in today's episode, we're going to take a look at RedHill Biopharma Ltd, ticker symbol RDHL, a 5-year FDA exclusive license approval and price continuation play. Before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Set notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and like and share. Also, let me begin by saying we are not financial or stock advisors, and we are not giving stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Da 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 da. Hey, always do your own due diligence, folks. If you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. And we pick a lot of bangers a lot of times, folks. Now, for example, yesterday we called out BDRX in our premium private Discord, and it ran up 167%. We also called out ASST pre-market. It ran up 199%. And we also called out RDHL, the stock we're discussing in this video, pre-market today and back on November 22nd when it was at 30 cents a share. It ran up 212% yesterday, and today it went up to $3 a share. That's up almost about 1,000% from when we first called it. We are just made different. We're just made different, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we read candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how we use critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what's been working for us. So let's get right into it with RedHill Biopharma Ltd, ticker symbol RDHL, which is located in Israel. It is a publicly traded NASDAQ specialty and generic biopharmaceutical company with $25.24 million market cap and 113 employees. RedHill Biopharma Ltd sells medications for gastrointestinal issues. This includes Movantik for constipation caused by painkiller use, Talicia for a certain type of stomach infection, and Amcolo for traveler's diarrhea. They're also working on new drugs like RHB204 for lung infections, Opaganib for severe COVID-19 and cancer, RHB107 for COVID-19, and RHB104 for Crohn's disease. Additionally, they have RHB102 in development for acute gastroenteritis and gastritis. The company was founded in 2009 in Israel. Now, let's look at RDHL's most recent news. The company recently got exclusive rights by the FDA to sell a drug called Talicia, which treats a common stomach infection known as H. pylori. Now, Talicia is effective, well tolerated, has a good profile against drug resistance, it's been reported. It might replace other treatments for H. pylori, making RedHill's stock appealing. Now, the exclusive license for Talicia comes with intellectual property protection up until 2034. RedHill Biopharma can choose to let other companies sell the drug after the first 3 years. This gives RedHill an advantage and more rights, leading to higher revenues. RedHill is reportedly expected to start selling Talicia pretty quickly, which could lead to rapid revenue and profit growth. And this opportunity, of course, could help the company recover from losses. It's important to note that RedHill Biopharma may be looking to raise more capital, and being recognized by NASDAQ, of course, makes it easier. With FDA approvals, RedHill may be able to raise capital more easily. They might consider the stock market for some more funds. Interesting stuff. As we mentioned, the price on RDHL stock was pushed upward today with this news, up to $3 a share. Now, which is almost up 1,000% from where the price was on November 22nd. This news could potentially keep the price moving upward tomorrow if more volume or another news catalyst comes in. Undoubtedly, the recent news on the FDA's approval of RDHL's exclusive license to sell its new drug can move the price action upward for RDHL, even continuing to tomorrow. A continuation in price increase is very possible. We will be keeping an eye on it. As we said earlier, folks, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, that link is in the description. And we pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We are just made different, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 380 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and our exit points on trades, how to read candlestick patterns, how to read those key levels, how to use the critical indicators, and much, much more. Now, of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what's been working for us. In conclusion, RedHill Biopharma Ltd, RDHL, is a publicly traded NASDAQ Israel-based company that is in the healthcare sector. RDHL is a company that we will be watching with a continued increase in volume. We believe it could be conducive for momentum parabolic day trading. Now, will RDHL run parabolic again? It will need that continued volume, but who knows for sure? Of course, we would need to see that continued volume before we'd actually day trade this stock. This is not advice, and we are not pros, folks. It's just my opinion. And I will have RDHL on my watch list. It says double moms, and I will see all of you again on the flip side.